Hello, welcome to Otis Place. It's good to have you here. Today is wash day. I've been carrying my hair for about a month and the hair is dirty, very, very due for a wash. Today's wash day, I decided to try out Okra detangler for my hair because one of the steps I make sure I don't skip is detangling my hair before washing it. If I wash my hair in without detangling it, it will be a mess. So I just thought to try the okra detangler because I've seen a lot of videos of it and a lot of people raving about it on YouTube. Normally, when I'm trying something new, I will at least do a patch test to make sure I'm not allergic to it. But for this, I did not, and that is because I eat okra. I cook okra in my house. So I've never had any adverse reaction to okra. That's why I didn't bother doing a patch test. So if you've not tried okra detangler before or okra gel before and you want to try it, please do a patch test before you put it on your scalp. Guys, I didn't know what to expect using this okra detangler. Now I know that okra has a lot of sleep, but I didn't know how my hair was going to react to it. And I have to say that I have no regrets using this detangler. My hair loved this so much, and I this is like the best detangling session I've had since I started growing my natural hair. Honestly, it just melted the tangles, the knots away, made my hair so manageable, gave my hair some shine. I mean, I don't know why I've been sleeping on this. Have you guys tried using okra as a detangler before? If you have, let me know. Share your experience in the comment section. If you've not used okra to detangle your hair, is it something you're willing to try? Maybe after watching my experience, you'll be curious to try it. Of course, when I'm detangling my hair, I work in sections. Always work in sections so that every part of your hair will get this goodness. I must say here that if you don't have like an applicator bottle or something to help with the application of the okra, it can get a little bit frustrating because of how slimy okra is. You might just want to put a little bit, and so much of the liquid is, you know, falling into your hands. So you just have, it's a little tricky. You just have to manage and know how to work with it. One thing I would not recommend is using this in the bathtub. It can get slippery. Now, can you see how my fingers are just going through my hair? This okra detangler is one I would really recommend. Now, I did some research on okra, so I'm going to share some of the things I found out with you. Okra is said to strengthen the hair strands, fortifying the hair and making it less prone to breakage. It's said to condition and moisturize the scalp. It also helps fight dandruff. Can you see how that comb just goes smoothly through my hair? I can't get over that. Okra is said to help promote hair growth. We will see that. I think I'm going to use this for a while and I'll let you guys know. Okra helps lock in moisture. The mucilage in okra acts as a natural conditioner on the hair and it keeps the hair hydrated. Okra also helps to improve scalp health and it adds shine to the hair. These are some of the benefits of okra that I found out. If you know more benefits, please let us know in the comment section. Share with us. I don't know why I've been sleeping on this okra detangler, but this has come to stay. I know that I've used aloe vera. Aloe vera does not give me as much sleep as this does. I used fenugreek. I've used flaxseed before and it didn't give me this much sleep. This is the thing that has given me so much sleep and made my detangling process a breeze. Now, after applying all of it to my hair, I decided to take down the twists and just see how the hair is overall. So yeah, this is how my hair looks with the okra gel in it. Really bouncy. My curls are defined. Now, but I'm not going to wash my hair like this. I'm going to put the hair back in twists. I'm going to put it in 5 sections. I used to put my hair in 4 sections most times, but I discovered that my crown section was getting sore and I was experiencing some breakage there because I always parted, the same way. And because of this, I started isolating my crown section and twisting that separately. I used a nylon bag to wrap up my hair. And the plan was that I was going to leave this for about 30 to 45 minutes before washing it out. But as life happens, guys, life happens, and I ended up keeping this thing for almost 3 hours in my hair because we had a slight family emergency and someone had to be taken to the hospital. After coming back from the hospital, this is me now. See how the hair looks. My hair feels so soft. Of course, the heat from the scalp helped condition my hair very well. My hair felt so soft. Now I proceeded with my normal wash day. I used the shampoo to wash my hair properly. I shampooed my hair 3 times to make sure all the dirt, like I told you, my hair had gone about a month without washing it. So I made sure I scrubbed my scalp properly and washed it out. My hair was still soft and manageable. After washing the hair, after shampooing my hair, I didn't use a conditioner. I just went straight to using a deep conditioner. And I used the Mega Growth Deep Conditioner. Let it sit in my hair for 15 minutes before washing it out. The rest of my wash day was just normal things I do of rinsing out deep conditioner. What are your hair goals for 2025? Let me know in the comment section. So after washing off the deep conditioner, I now went in with my daily leave-in strengthener, my leave-in conditioner, which is the Mega Growth Daily Leave-in Strengthener. Now, this video is not sponsored, okay? These are just products that I use a lot. So notice that my hair is not dripping wet, my hair is just damp. I'm applying it on damp hair. After making sure that every part of my hair got the leave-in conditioner, I made sure to seal in all that moisture with a hair butter. It's my homemade hair butter, but you can use a hair oil to seal your hair too. Instead of twisting it around, I decided to braid the hair. If you've watched up to now and you've not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. When you subscribe, click on that bell, select the all option so that anytime I post videos, you'll be one of the first to get them. If you've not given this video a thumbs up, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps my small YouTube channel grow. Share the videos with your friends, your family members, especially those who want to grow healthy natural hair, or people who are even maybe transitioning and thinking of going natural. Please share these videos with them. It might be of help to somebody. I'm through braiding the hair. My wash day is done. I can finally rest. I'm not styling the hair. I'm just going to leave it in these braids for some days and see. Don't forget to leave your okra experience in the comment section. Let us know. Let us learn from you. Thank you so much for watching. Do have a blessed day. I'll see you next time. Bye.